time for another new dance tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you my own choreography of the song Your Song by Rita Ora. So if you want to watch the video, I will put the video or the link in the down on the description below. You can watch it, and just for now, just learn the choreography. Ready? Let's start. So you're gonna step your right 1, lift 2, then go to front, walk, snap, and open. From here you're gonna shoulder and step back. And from here you're gonna cross it and look front. Then you can snap it. Again, 5, 6, 7, and step right, up, snap, shoulder, and 7 and 8. You don't need to lift that one. 7, 8. Okay? Faster. 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Look, 8. So second 8, we end up on here. So from here, you're gonna walk to the front, like 1, cross, 2, 3. From here, hug yourself, then look up. 4. Then slowly up. 5, 6, 7, then look to your left. 8, then raise your right knee. Okay, use my sound. Let's connect. From here, 7, 8, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So your head and your legs is at the same time. Look to your left. Let's do it from the beginning. Let's connect. So 5, 6, 7, side, and 1, 2, snap, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then 1, 2, 3, 4, slowly 6, 7, 8. You get it? Alright, after this one, so let's maybe going down on 1, then go up on 2, drop 3, push on 4. So this is fast. Let's try. 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, you walk your right and your left knee. 5, 6. Hug yourself, face to your left. Then this one continuously going to the back of your head. Then shift your weight to your left. Okay, let's try. Slowly, 7 and 8, drop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's do it from the beginning. But let's do it slowly. That's 6, 7, and then 1, 2, show. Hand, 5, 6, 7, 8, step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk on 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's do it faster. You ready? Wait. 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. See? They lost. Okay. Don't worry, guys. If you don't get it, you still can review the videos. All right. Let's try again one more time. 5, 6. Not too fast. That's extremely fast. 5, 6. It's okay. 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, stop, 3, 4, shoulders, 6, look back, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, very good. Alright, on the fourth 8, so we end up on a 7 and an 8, right? From here. From here, you're gonna scoop 1, 2, slowly 3, and a 4. So that's 4 count. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, touch your legs, 3, 4, look to the back, 5. Look front, 6. Then circle, 7, 8. Twice. Let's do it from the big from here. So slowly, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look back, front, then 7 and 8. So make sure you do it twice, clockwise. So hips, hip, circle. Your hand you can do anything. Alright, let's do it from the top. Let's connect everything. 5, 6, 7, slowly. 7 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, look back. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Slowly 6, 7, 8. Down 1, 2, 3, push 4, 5, 6. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7, 8. Very good. Good job, guys. So okay, next from 5 and 6, 4, 7. Okay, from here on 7 and then 8. You can step to the right. 1, prepare. 2, 3, open on 4. Okay, from here you're gonna cross 5, drop on 6, then hips right 7 and 8. That's right. So okay, from here, so 6 and 7, 8. Prepare on 1, 2, turn 3, and up 4. Cross on 5, drop on 6, look 7 and 8. Okay? It's like 7 and 8. Let's try faster now. 7. So 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and a 4. Cross 5, 6. Look 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Jump. 7. Yes, we need to jump 7. Look back on 8. That's it. Let's go. Slowly again. So from here, you end up on hips 7 and 8. Prepare yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4. So make sure you end up on 4. Cross on 5. Right follow left. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross. 1, 2, 3. Shift your weight to your left. Your right pointing there. Then step right to the back. 5, 6, jump on 7, drop on 8. That's it. Alright, let's do it from the beginning. Slowly. Alright, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, snap. 4, shoulder 6, look back. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, drop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, cross 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we go. 7, 8, prepare. 2, 3, 4, cross 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jump 7. Yes. Good job, guys. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching and hope you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.